I know she's gone home. And Satan is welcoming her with open arms.
We're ready for party.
You didn't make me come.
I'm just here to make sure that she did. Alright, she look dead. Alright.
If only think for 1 second, sir, I haven't this brother you're gone. I held him there. Burning in his lies, all of the cheating, everything. Burn! Burn, nigga! Burn! Pooh!
Miss Johnson, should you have $3,000 for me? I guess you gotta pay for it. Me come pay later.
When you think Jesus stop answer prayer, and I'm doing this. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you.
Miss Johnson, you is a horrible son. Please do not conceive anymore. Please just stop. For the sake of mankind, stop. Please. My condolences.
Why, Jesus? Why? Why? Why you never do it sooner? Why?